Oh, I got one too. We doubled up, son.
Doubled up.
Oh, I got one. He's pulling drag. Boy,
Oh my goodness.
I think I got a good one too. We are in a damn good spot. Old Black is back. Oh, God.
What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. I'm Alan Delahook. This is Lance Nairn. And we out here striper fishing. We catching nice ones. Double up. We're here. Right here than it was. But...
You go, boy. This is what we came for. This is what we fucking came for.
Burn your ass up right here. Knew it. I told you I was gonna burn their ass up right there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, just goodness gracious. Oh wow, that is a freaking hoss. That's a 4-pounder, dude. Yeah, I might need to go back up a little.
Yeah, just creep back and get out on the... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on to daddy. Come on to daddy, fat mama. Oh yeah. Ha ha.
He's right there. He's got my spinnerbait. Get that motherfucker back. Damn it. got him. Doubled up. That is a bass. I got a striper. Wow, a big one. Dude, I want to need the net. Look at this thing.
Oh God. That's a 6-pounder there, buddy.
Oh, wow. Wow. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. We had a great time. We caught a lot of fish. How many fish you think we caught, Lance?
I'd say probably maybe 40 together. I had double header probably 5 times and landed 2 times. I know we took a couple pictures with 2 at a time in the boat, and a couple of largemouth bass. You caught one right there, 5 pound, pretty much call it the 5 pound mark. Not a bad day at all.
Yeah, we found it up in the grass lines and drop-offs. Finally figured out the pattern, and we were able to get quite a few fish. And anyways, it was a good day.
Awesome day.
Awesome day. Till next time, be good.